Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo to TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Sikukune 1, tag 0. I'm joined by Sandawana. Rodman Libizo ke mangozo guy.
Lungisani Hlatshwayo Mose Chiro on stage fair.
Igame ibone kanjani baba wami?
Hayi game beyimnandi, I think i-taxi Mr. ama chances amaningi.
Abhaya tha.
Abhaya. I think beyona bekufanele kube yiye winner for.
Yes, man. 4-5 chances.
4-5 chances, clear cut chances.
Rodman.
Ngabe siboni i-upset yayizolo na. Bayiphinde
futhi
tears
yakwatile la majita.
Yeah, no, but for my team Sundowns,
yes,
let's relax.
Yeah.
We're going to win this cup.
Yeah.
The league basically. Yeah, and the KEF is gonna be tough.
Yes,
but I think league we have a chance. It's corner. We playing Amazulu.
Yes, man.
We go level with Pirates.
Yes, man.
And putting pressure on them with good derby.
Definitely.
They can't afford to lose 3 matches in a row. No, definitely. But ngifuna ukubonga yabona le show yenu.
Yes, Samalam.
I expose ama fans in a good way.
Thank you, Samalam.
Take credit for that.
Yes, Samalam.
Yeah, ningadigibali ngesizulu sisho njalo.
Singaphela umoya.
Ngaphela umoya.
Ngiyakubamba baba wami. Man of the match namhlanje ke Thema.
Likapa, the one who scored the goal.
Yeah,
I think he defended very well.
Yes,
he's a good player.
Yeah.
For me now, I'll consider him for our left back.
Yes.
I know Modiba is good.
Yeah.
But I think defensively we struggle. Yeah. But attacking wise, Modiba is good. But this guy defensively, he's got a height as well.
Yeah.
And the physique.
Yeah.
Quality.
Okay, Themala mlalela ukuthi Nedbank ithini.
Yeah.
Ithi next round. Iplay ubelieve ukuthi izokora. If you chase the number wayo maybe 20, 30 personal loan, yeah, 2,000 or 20,000. Yeah. And if he scores, they'll give the money to you.
I get the money back.
Yeah, you won't pay nothing, man.
Thank you, Aisha. I'll take note of that.
Thank you, Malami.
Enjoy it.
Sure.